Welcome to the Excellent Brain Sport tutorial taking a baseline test. The test will take approximately 35 minutes. Please allow enough time to complete the test. Before you start the test, make sure that your environment is quiet and free from distractions such as phones, pagers, and other people. Read the instructions very carefully before each section. Baseline testing is used to test your performance. Do not get help from someone else except to understand the instructions. If you perform poorly on this test at home, you may be asked to repeat the test under supervision in your school. Clicking the Start Test button begins the test. The first section is the symptom checklist. Here you will document any concussion-related symptoms you may have at baseline for comparison afterwards if you were to have a concussion. Click on the frequency that you have experienced each of these symptoms listed over the last 30 days. The word task measures your ability to memorize a list of 15 words. The list will be presented one word at a time. You will have 3 chances to view the list. After each presentation, pairs of words will be presented. One of the 2 words is from the list. Press the right arrow key once if the word on the right was on the list. Tap the left arrow key once if the word on the left is on the list. You must respond as quickly and accurately as possible. The emotional identification task tests how well you can recognize emotion in other people's faces. Pictures of faces will be presented one at a time, showing various emotions. You must tap the spacebar every time you see a new face, except for a target emotion such as happy. The task is repeated for happy, sad, afraid, angry, and neutral or no emotion. The tapping test measures how fast you can tap the spacebar. Use only one hand. If you're right-handed, use your right hand. If you're left-handed, use your left hand. Tap the spacebar once to begin. You will have a 3-second countdown to prepare. Tap as fast as you can until the task ends. The time estimation task measures your ability to estimate the passage of time. You will be given a target time period, such as 10 seconds or 30 seconds. For each target, tap the spacebar once to begin the timer, and then once again after you feel the target time has been reached. Do not use a clock or a watch, and respond as accurately as possible. In the first part of the Stop or Go task, the words Stop or Go will be presented one at a time. Tap the spacebar once if the word Go appears. Do not tap the spacebar if the word Stop appears. Respond as quickly and accurately as possible. In the second part of the Stop or Go task, the words Stop or Go will be presented one at a time. Tap the spacebar once if the color of the word is blue. Do not tap the spacebar if the word is presented in red. In the one-back test, a series of photographs will be presented one at a time. Tap the spacebar once after each new photograph. Do not tap the spacebar if the photograph is the same as the photograph that was presented before it. In the sentence task, a series of 5-word sentences will be presented one word at a time. Tap the right arrow key once if the last word of each sentence makes sense. Tap the left arrow key once if the last word in each sentence does not make sense. As always, respond as quickly and accurately as possible. The facial recognition task measures your ability to remember faces you have seen earlier in the test. Pairs of photographs of faces will be presented. Tap the right arrow key once if you recognize the face on the right from earlier in the test battery. Tap the left arrow key once if you recognize the face on the left from earlier in the test battery. The final word task measures your memory of the list of words that you memorized at the beginning of the test battery. The word list will not be presented again. Pairs of words will be presented. One of the 2 words in each pair is from the list presented earlier in the test battery. Tap the right arrow key once if the word on the right was on the list. Tap the left arrow key once if the word on the left is on the list.